welcome to my channel. This is just going to be a very short video. It was an idea I got from Little Miss Procrastinator. I'll leave a link to that video in the description. It's about using scratch off shapes. I didn't even realise that you could buy these, to be honest. It's not something I've ever really thought about or looked for, and I just thought it was a really good idea, so I went and bought some, and they do have a really strong toxic smell, just awful. But anyway, I thought what I could do is, this is a card I made the other day, is because I've promised this card to a friend, I'm not actually going to put one of these in, but I thought these would be ideal for an anniversary card. So this heart would fit nicely in there, and you could stamp under it. You could stamp or write "scratch to reveal your gift" or something like that, and you could have a picture, or you could even write under it. It doesn't have to be printed or stamped. So you could write what the gift is, and then your partner could just scratch it off to reveal it. I think that would be a really nice idea. But what I did, I have to tell you, this is one of the worst cards I've ever made, so please forgive me. I was literally just practicing to see if I could cut them out. So I did. I cut them out from the big heart bits because they are quite large. But I don't know if you can see, they didn't cut quite neatly, but I think that's possibly to do with the dies that I used. But I'm sure you could use a coin or something and draw around and cut out by hand if you wanted. I mean, this is welcome home, that's the first stamp. Like I said, this card wasn't really meant to be shown, it was literally just to practice. But you could have different things under there. So this could be happy anniversary, and you could have you could have something like stamp 1 to reveal a prize, and you could have maybe a candlelit dinner, a weekend away, cozy night in, or something like that. Just 3 little gifts, 3 little notes under there, and then your partner could scrape it off, whichever one they want, that's the one you could do. And I just think that is just a really nice idea. So just ignore the card. And I just thought it was a really good idea, really romantic. So that's just a quick video. That's about it. That's all I'm going to show you. I will leave a link to these, and I have bought some plain sheets of the scratch off paper stickers, because when you scratch these off, it doesn't matter what you have underneath, when you scratch them off, there's actually a layer of plastic underneath, so you're not going to be scratching off your writing or anything like that. In fact, I might as well show you. There's nothing under here, but if I show you, if you scratch off, supposing there was a, whoops, I haven't exactly stuck it down properly either, but I don't know if you can see there's a layer of plastic on, so it just scratches off the top, on the top of the plastic. It doesn't scratch, it won't harm anything that's underneath. So I just thought it was just a really good idea. So I'll link to that video, I'll link to these and to the sheets. You just might want to have a go. I mean, to be honest, if I get the knack of cutting these out in various shapes and doing it neatly, then it's something that you could even sell on your own website. You could make cards ready-made. You could just make these and sell them. Because I just think it's a really good idea. It's an idea that's been used time and time again from the research I've done. As usual, I'm the last one on the bandwagon. But never mind. It's just a little idea and a very short video just to show you something else you could do in your card making. But anyway, thank you so much for staying with me. I really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. Bye bye now.